Billy Bob, and if it's okay with Looney Bird, I'm gonna invite you to sing the song for us.
I don't care. I'm leaving.
Down in the meadow in itty bitty pool swim 3 little fishies and my fishy too. Swim, said the my fishy, swim if you can. And swim right over the dam. Boom, boom, did 'em down, want 'em chew. A boom, boom, did 'em down, want 'em chew. A boom, boom, did 'em down, want 'em chew. And they swam right over the dam.
We cried the fishies, yeah, we're having some fun. We'll swim this sea until the day is done. They swam and they swam until it was dark.
And all of a sudden, they saw a shark.
Boom, boom, get 'em that water. Boom, boom, get 'em that water.
Boom, boom, did that water too. And they swam till they saw a shark.
Help out the little fishes, look at that well. And the 3 little fishes, man, they turned their tails back to the itty bitty pond. They swam, and they swam, and they swam back over the dam.
Everybody, and welcome to our celebration of childhood. And we're doing songs like we used to do when we were kids, and we're talking about the dances we used to do in groups. And Mitzi, do you remember doing that?
I used to love doing those dances.
Yeah.
Hey, do you guys remember the cakewalk and square dancing?
Yeah.
And the hokey pokey. Oh, that was so much fun.
Not the hokey pokey,
Oh,
no.
I loved it.
Yeah, me
I
too.
know, when the rest of the class was out there sticking their arms in and out, I was standing there folding my arms.
Why'd you do that?
No, I was copping a stance. I was looking cool.
Well, Beach Bear, what you don't understand is it's cool for guys to dance.
Yeah.
Like in that real popular movie, what's that star's name? Swayze? Swayze.
John Cameron Swayze.
That's it, dude. Thank you. He's cool, and besides, he's in great shape, I'd say.
Yeah, dancing is really good exercise. Did you know that 15% of all children are 40 to 50% overweight? 35% of the time, the latest statistics?
You don't say. Wow.
That's statistics.
Oh, I was fat 100% of the time. I had a 60-inch waist when I was 8.
Well, Fats, how did you get so fat so fast?
I guess it kind of snacked up on me.
Put your right arm in, you put your right arm out, you put your right arm in, now you shake it all about.
You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Left elbow.
You put your left elbow in, your left elbow out. Your left elbow in, you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Whole self now.
You put your whole self in, you take your whole self out. You put your whole self in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around.
promised to be a kinder, gentler Earl, and look at you, still picking on me after all these years.
Yep.
Why, I remember when you were just a baby, I carved you out of a spruce tree.
Yep.
And I sat with you night after night, putting the finishing touches on your little eyes with my carving knife.
Yep.
And I used to sing you to sleep. You were so beautiful.
Please, Rome, don't sing.
Where are you going, my little Earl, my little Schmerl? Where are you going, my baby, my own?
I'm going to knock your block off if you don't quit your blubbering. You ain't my daddy, my papa's a spruce.
A spruce?
Yes, Bruce Springsteen.
Zippity-doo-dah! Zippity-yay! My, oh my, those were the wonderful days. My childhood memories come flooding back in a wonderful world of color. Sitting in front of my TV set, eating some peanut butter. It's Sunday night, Disney's on, and my heart was all aflutter. And I was the happiest little monkey you ever could see, watching Disney and eating peanut butter. Maybe some sardines with it too. And the band would play. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine heading my way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Oh, Mr. Bluebird on my shoulder. Oh, it's the truth, it's the truth. Everything is satisfaction. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Wonderful feelings heading my way. Everything gonna be satisfaction. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine heading my way. And here's hoping that for all you kids, whether you 1 or 92, make every day a zippity-doo-dah day. Yeah.